Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up ASUS RT-AC750L Wireless Router. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this ASUS RT-AC750L wireless router setup is one of the best. Basically, the ASUS RT-AC750L wireless router is a dual-band Wi-Fi router designed for home and small office networks. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, place the router near your modem. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's WAN port. Turn on the router and wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the LED lights become stable. On your computer or smartphone, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default network name like ASUS_XX. Select the network and connect. You can also use the Ethernet cable. Connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router using an Ethernet cable. Open any browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar type http://router.asus.com. You can also try 192.168.50.1. Press Enter. This will open the ASUS Quick Internet Setup page. When the setup page opens, click Create a new network. The router will auto-detect your connection type, e.g., PPPoE, Dynamic IP, etc. If it's PPPoE, enter your ISP-provided username and password. If it's Dynamic IP, most common, it will proceed automatically. Enter your new Wi-Fi name, SSID. This is what devices will see. Set a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Click Apply or Next. The router will reboot and save all settings. After reboot, connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the name and password you just set. You can now browse the internet. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.